Hello, and thank you for purchasing your 1x1 Ganjagrid plant vibration trainer. In this video, we will demonstrate staking your Ganjagrid into the soil of a potted plant that has been topped or fimmed. In this manner, we are able to train the branches through the squares that surround the transmitter plate and surface resonator. This is only one option. The training possibilities are endless. Additionally, we will be adding 4 Z-links that will allow you to vibrate additional plants. So let's go ahead and get started. My potted plant has already been topped and I have 2 side branches coming out of it. Simply place your 1x1 Ganjagrid plant vibration trainer stakes into the soil itself, allowing the 2 side branches to clear the transmitter plate and start to grow towards the light. Now I'm showing you how to install the extenders that go through the outer rails of your Ganjagrid and lock into the inner supports as shown. By using these Z-links, you are able to additionally vibrate more plants, and they are not tied to the Ganjagrid itself, so they can be easily moved in and out of your grow as you seem fit. One last one, under between the 2 outer rails. Find your sweet spot, lock it under one of the supports, and there you go. Then go ahead and grab your plant and put your main stalk through the hook of the Z-links as shown. Again, in this configuration, we can vibrate up to 4 extra plants. And your possibilities are endless. In fact, we could probably install more Z-links and have this be like a spider web out to the other plants as well. Remember the purse locks I gave you with your purchase? Go ahead and grab them and give them a twist right near your branches or stalks of your plants so that you get maximum vibration transmittal. You don't actually need to do this, but if you feel the need, they're there for you. And as you can see on the right hand side, I didn't actually use the extenders. I actually am touching the plants with the corner of the outer rails of the Ganjagrid. Again, the possibilities are endless, folks. Versatility is key. Alternatively, you could use a pipe cleaner or those other types of soft twist ties if you like. Once you've gone ahead and got them all secured up nicely, go ahead and grab your Surface Resinator. Throw that on your transmitter plate, and for this demonstration, we're going to use Schumann's resonance. For maximum effect, we have chosen to enable the resonating driver and external speakers. Either one of these can be chosen individually for a customized experience. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, share, and post your progress so we can all continue to grow together. Thanks for watching.